around. Just be cool. Yeah. Get involved.
All right, and we're back. I'm a little late today. I do apologize. Things have been going crazy. I had to get up here, and it was Eclipse Day. Eclipse Day? Eclipse? Regardless, it was quite a crazy, hectic day for me, but I did get on the stream. You guys still get a live stream today, so I do hope you enjoy that. And it is Monday, Eclipse Day. Yes, I said it a bunch of times. You guys know the name of the game, and things are happening in crypto. But before we get into it, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. There is a reason you clicked on this video. Please consider subscribing. We're trying to grow the Ganja Goons gang on the crypto side, and we would love to have you so you can make informed decisions, because we all want to make it, and we want to get that financial freedom, and we want to do it together. We can't do it alone. And this is all free. None of this stuff. I ain't selling you a course. I ain't selling you stuff. This is all free information. I want to learn alongside you guys as well. All right, and with that, we're going to get right into it with the market. Let me share my screen. Things have happened. Things have happened. Oh boy, Teddy, what has happened? Well, guess what, guys? We are now marching closer and closer to 3 trillion market cap. We're at 2.69 trillion, right? So the last few times I've talked to you, we were right around 2.5, and now we're getting closer to 2.7. So we're headed in the right direction. Bitcoin is having good price action, and we did have some retracement into the greed section, but we are making way towards that extreme greed. And extreme greed is a good sign. And there's a lot of cryptos that are truly taking off during today's bullish market. So things I want to highlight, especially in the crypto heat map, you guys know the market caps are important. Market caps tell us where the money is and where it's going, and what cryptos are solid investments, especially when it comes to market caps, right? It tells us, hey, volume's coming here, volume's going there, and we can usually tell by the dominance. Dominance is pretty much stable, especially for Bitcoin. Ethereum has regained its 16%. Last time we talked about it, it wasn't doing so hot, and now we're seeing, hey, the money is stabilizing. As that crypto market goes up, the money is going exactly where we intended to see it. Now, the interesting part is we're also seeing the altcoin market have a nice green day, right? The overall crypto market's doing great. XRP had a great boost yesterday, today. Now we're seeing 61, 62, 63 cents as high. And, I really want to see it above 65. Once I see it above 65, that solidifies to me that XRPs could potentially keep going. Solana still under 200. I do expect to see 260 relatively soon as we go into the halving. I do expect the money to change hands from the Bitcoin market cap to other altcoins. Hey, Bitcoin's done. There's no more bullish sentiment. I do expect some type of retracement to happen. It can be anywhere from a 20% to 30% drop. So be ready for the halving. A lot of you guys may not be well prepared, may not be thinking about it properly. And I just want to make sure you're making informed decisions. Cody Carp, what's going on, Cody? Nice to see you. What's up, B. Ricky? Cody, triple G's. What's going on? Clean Smoke, triple G's. Oh, man, all the goons are in a 30 trillion market cap incoming. Imagine 30 trillion market cap incoming. You're in XRP. What's the market cap going to be if the current dominance is 1%? 1% of 30 trillion, guys, right? That's a lot. That's a lot. Let me see here. We can even, what was that? Market cap of, oh man, there used to be a site that you could actually compare market caps, but it looks like this is not gonna do it. Yeah, it is not. Yeah. I want to say it's like what, 33 billion market cap right now? How much is market cap right now? 33, yeah, 33 billion right now. So what? It'd be, if the entire global crypto market cap goes to 30 trillion, oh my god, dude, this would be this would be even crazier, right? This would be like almost 300 billion. Is that right? Yeah, because this would be 300 billion. Oh my God, XRP would be close to what, $6 at that point? Because that'd be a straight what, 100x? Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow. Imagine $6 XRP. Wow. Yeah, you got some predictions here. So we dump again before halving. Yes, figure out when to do it. Actually, let me show you the halving counter. So you have it. Halving countdown BTC. Where's the coin market cap one? I like the coin market cap one because they keep updating it, but we're literally 10 days away. We're literally 10 days away. So I would say within this next week, be ready to take some profits out, guys, because there is going to be a dump as soon as this thing hits. And they may run it up all the way till that final block is mine. These guys are vicious. Do not underestimate them. And for those of you guys that are going to be holding anyway for 20, 30 years plus, this is your long-term investment. Don't do anything. Keep holding. If it dips, buy more. Have some money set aside. But yeah, right now we are anticipating within this next week is possibly going to be a good time to take some profits. And now that doesn't mean take your entire bag out. Anticipate, hey, many of these analysts could be wrong and this thing could skyrocket even more than 70K. We may never see underneath 100K after the halving, right? Because of the scarcity. But I'm being skeptical. I'm assuming that a lot of people have the same idea as us, which is, hey, get in before the halving and sell before the halving. So I do expect this profit taking to happen relatively soon. So be ready. Be ready. Do not get caught behind. Do not get caught lacking if your intent is to maintain as much profit as you can. So I do believe in the next 10 days we're going to see that. And as you've seen, we're having a great bullish sentiment. Almost everything is up. All the memes are up. Dog with hat, and now there's this weird one, dog with Saudi hat. All the Saudi coins we've seen, even Saudi Pepe, they end up doing well like 1-2 days, and then it's just like constantly just going down. But we do see Bitcoin back in trending, and we're seeing the meme coins like Pepe and stuff, as well as dog with hat. Earlier I was reading about Athena. It sounds like Athena is emerging itself as an interesting player as well. I am keeping an eye on it because a lot of volume is headed in that direction. It's been helping it go up. So keep an eye on that as well. My 100x play right now is Tuer on Soul, Tucker Carlson meme coin followed by Bowden. What the hell? Why are they misspelling the names like that? Oh, Bowden and Tucker, these are the people. Oh, that's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. I like that. I like that. And how are you doing? Did you make some good money on Tucker so far? Or are you like 10x up and you're waiting for the next 100x? Or what are you feeling? Wait, what? Someone just messaged me some crazy thing and I only have certain texts come through, so it's like, I gotta check this actually. Let me see. Yeah, no, that was pretty much all I had for market. I do have some good news articles as well I want to review with you guys. I was kind of reading up on them before I joined the stream as well, but it was literally, hey, where do we see BTC going to, as well as, hey, what caused the 72,000, because we were right under 70,000 just yesterday, right? So hey, more wild stuff in China. This is Eric Balchunas. I may be pronouncing his name incorrectly, but it's an interesting statement. More wild stuff in China as local investors pile into a gold stock ETF, pushing its premium 30% and forcing it to halt trading. Investors there are so desperate to buy things that are not linked to their own economy/stock market, which has been in the gutter. Duh. And then so I read this and I'm like, so are they trying to say that because the gold got halted, they moved to BTC and that's why all the BTC is being that's why the price ended up going up. But then they've talked about 500 million purchase by Athena, and this is when I was reading about Athena. So Athena's getting popular. I'm seeing it pop up more and more. I feel like it kind of feels like the ordinals type behavior that we've seen. So I am keeping an eye on it. I wouldn't be surprised if Athena has a nice continued run. A little bit of a retracement right now, but I am anticipating a further run. They've even talked about micro strategies, 9,245 Bitcoin, 600 million that happened last month, and nothing prevented that 13.7 drop. Right, we've still seen that happen. And then out of nowhere, they say, hey, Bitcoin spot ETFs are exceeding 10 billion. Such inflows are relatively insignificant. So even $10 billion coming in a day is nothing to budge this price. So what is happening? So Eric Balchunas, that senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg, he's like, hey, these Chinese stocks that were doing all these things, they're buying stuff related to the gold ETFs, and then they got halted. So, hey, did they come over to the Bitcoin? And that's what we're seeing because of their need to buy everything that they can, regardless of what market it is. Very well, it could be. Definitely, it could be anything. As of right now, gold is doing fairly well, and it looks like even in China, gold has hit the record high 2,354. So I believe that's a world market. So it makes sense that gold is doing well. People are feeling less and less likely, I guess. And they say, oh, the economy is recovering, Teddy. You were seeing gold go up, and it is dependent on where you live, what you believe in. But it is an interesting thought. Um, that hey, as we go into this election, could gold be the asset that we need to hoard? And now the eclipse is over, so we got to find the next thing to freak out about. I thought it was going to be the water. Let me see here. Got in at 0.004 and it's at 0.0. Get that. You've already 2x. You've already done a little bit more than a 2x, man. Get out of here. Oh my god. No, wait, he's done a 4x, right? 4, 5. Yeah, you've done at least a 4x. You've done a 4x, bro. Holy crap, NW. You're doing good. You're doing good. Oh, Teddy, I need your brain for something. Oh, F Joe, tell me, Soul Train, tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. So just continuing off the article, we know our girl Janet Yellen. Hey, she's the money printer. Always printing. We fix our issues by printing more. That's the only way. And spending. We got to spend everything. Well, when you money, spend it all. Seems to be working for the American government. So it is a interesting thing. But what they're talking about is tariffs that are coming in on these energy products from China, including solar panels, lithium ion batteries, and EVs coming in. Oh, they're shipping in all the EVs. Tesla competitors coming in. We need to make Tesla the best one. Come on now. Come on now. Do you know that people see Tesla in China and they think of as like a low budget car because it's so cheap to make over there that it's just not what people want? And then we look at Teslas here and we're like, this is the best. This is luxury. This is amazing. Imagine the EVs that the Chinese have that we don't. Not trying to be racist. It's just the pure truth. This is a true thing that is happening. All right. Continuing on, Pepe. I've been reading this Pepe peril. People are getting all crazy. When Pepe first released, a bunch of people took the supplies of Pepe, especially the devs. They left the project. They moved their entire tokens to those exchanges. Well, those exchanges are depleting in supply and their reserves, and people are going, hey, what do we do? What's going to happen? And what we're expecting is rising volume, which usually tells us, hey, price is going to have an upswing, right? And why are we getting the rising volume? Well, now the market cap's tiny. There's barely any supply. Everything's back in to the original people. Even the tiniest buys are pushing the token up a fair decent amount. So today was a great day for crypto. We're seeing that play out exactly the way it's anticipated. And we've gotten a strong bullish sentiment that has transpired. Now, where is it headed to? Well, they said they had an average Pepe rate of 0.4014, and this was during the period that the market caps were all over the place. And now we are seeing a little bit different, right? So now I think Pepe is right at 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 507, right? So it's like, hey, if we've seen, as high as 4014 and we're almost halfway down, can we see those highs again? So that is exactly the speculation, and I do believe it can be achieved because of that low market cap. So the crypto experts have weighed in. They projected it, I think, into what, April 2024. So there you go. There you go. This is a quite interesting anticipation. We'll see what happens. 25x to go. I'm looking ready, bro. Tuker, I'm gonna check out Tuker during the goon time. Make sure you remind me because I want to see what's actually going on over there. No, seriously, is app development in your arena? App development is in my arena. What are you trying to do in app development? Because there's many people that are trying to do many things in app development. So um, it all depends. Okay, 1 second. The guy actually responded to me. Holy crap, people actually read. Oh my god, that is amazing. That explains why that happened too. Oh my god, this guy's a genius. Yes. 1 second, guys. Just responding to that message. I only have a few messages come through. When they do, I'm such a busy guy, so I got to make sure they get my immediate attention. So yeah, that's exactly how I felt about Pepe. The other fun article I had was, where are we gonna see all these fun cryptos? I've seen predictions of Bitcoin at 150,000. I've seen Doge go to $1. XRP could rise to $3 to $5. So if XRP, and you guys know I've been shilling you XRP, I've been talking about XRP. If you haven't jumped on the XRP bandwagon, understand the future and understand what could happen, right? So yes, we're gonna have a halving and cryptos are gonna go down. 60 cents feels like an easy entry point currently, because I do anticipate people are going to take profits from BTC and they're going to come into the altcoins. If there's an altcoin season and XRP is under $1, I do expect that, hey, that altcoin season is going to push XRP over $1, because I know 65 cents is my level of support in the fib retracement that tells me where XRP is going to head. If XRP closes above 65 cents, it basically solidifies to me that I'm going to have a great rally for XRP. And then potentially in the future, going into 2024, really 12 to 16 months down the line, if those global crypto market caps keep going up, 100% $3 to $5 seems achievable. And that's not the only thing. People have repeatedly, and this is one guy they say, but actually not only credible, right? There's also a few other analysts we've seen, even the XRP community, even the XRP devs have came out and have predicted XRP as high as $10, $15. And now we know credible is going 20, $27. It very well could be, if that bull run comes in and that global crypto market cap rises, I do expect XRP to follow suit and rise with that market cap. So that all that means to you is make sure you're positioning yourself to ride the profits as well. So they've also talked about link between $200 and $500 by next year. So guys, this is Chainlink, and you guys know Chainlink's at $18 right now. Imagine $250 to $500 a Chainlink, right? They've even talked about TNDOTs, and they believe TIA and Celestia, right, and DOT, 150 and 120. Like, these are some crazy predictions. But if that bull market comes, and you guys have now followed Bitcoin from 17,000 to 72,000, why would this not be doable? Why would this not be achievable? Why are you not investing now? And what's preventing you from doing that? Hey, you don't have to put everything in right now. Just get a little bit. Let's see what happens. No, seriously, is that a dating app like swipe feature for finding new projects, like matchmaking app for crypto? I know this sounds like it's easy to do, but it's actually quite complicated, right? You need to come up with an algorithm to make matches. You need to have a swiping feature. You need to store all these pictures and references and profiles. You need a database. There's a lot involved. Can be done, but it's a quite expensive uh, type of app. Dating apps don't come cheap. They're not easy, and there's a lot of data you need to store. And the matchmaking is important. You can't just, hey, this person believes in anime. This person believes in anime. Boom, perfect 100%. Now, people, have spent years of formulas and money in order to figure out, and it's never going to be perfect. You're never going to get it right, but it is just something to consider that it is quite expensive to make an app like a dating app, to have a chatting system. That's a whole separate. You're building so many different components into one app, so just understand what you're taking on if that is the route you're going. Soul Train. All right. So other fun stuff. Are we anticipated for crypto regulation? Right. So you guys know I've been talking about we need regulation. We can't just keep assuming, hey, it's what Gary Gensler feels today. It's who he goes after today. It's who he brings to the court system and decides to find them. And that's how he makes his money. Right. In reality, Gary Gensler should be writing down, formulating real regulation and real laws that are written, right? Not how he feels and who he wants to go after. And that is something that the UK, United Kingdom, is actually doing and continuing to lead the crypto efforts into finding a way to regulate and reform the crypto industry, right? So we have been seeing this throughout the EU. The EU is leading the charge, passing the landmark markets in crypto assets MiCA regulation last summer. We know that happened. And the UK is even going further. I don't see it. And then, regardless, they say progress is in the US is much slower, where the SEC has largely governed through enforcement action, is at loggerheads with the CFTC. So they are butting heads with the CFTC on who regulates it. It's much slower. Gary Gensler does not actually write anything down. He just says how he feels. Okay, and then here's the UK. The UK has taken a more phased approach and is set to publish a new regulatory regime this year. So we do know the UK is gearing up. So the US continues to dwindle. And actually, you get down to the end of this article, and they actually flat out go like, hey, it's not looking good for the US because we have a election coming up, and due to the focus in the election, the regulation for crypto may be even slower when it comes to the United States. So the UK is gearing up. They've even got stable coins in there, staking in there. They figured out the way to regulate it, and people are going to follow suit. Once the regulation comes in, they're going to adhere in order to have their tokens and their coins available to all markets. So this is what you guys should be looking into. Is your crypto community getting ready to do this stuff? Is the crypto coin or token you're into aware that these things are happening, and they need to be able to understand that they're following the decentralized rules and regulations that are being proposed, and they're being proactive about it, and these things are important. If there's no proactiveness, there's no understanding, then that token is probably not going to go anywhere, and it's going to die, you know but Teddy can do it easily. He's a genius. Oh my God, Cody, you give me far too much credit. I still need a team, bro. I can definitely build apps, but has a lot involved. You need teams, you need multiple people. One person doing it alone is very wishful thinking. Even Zuckerberg, even Gates, right? He had a team. He had all their assistants in order to help. It's you can come out with the architecture, but the architecture is just one aspect. You still got to build it out. All right. And now, regardless, we're going to continue on to the chats. I know everyone wants to look at the chats. Teddy, I need to look at the chats. What's going on with the chats? Oh boy. Oh boy. This is really the most interesting week I've ever seen. We have flip flopped like anything, we have rebounded like anything. And now we're seeing our price action go up. So we saw the 0.618. I told you guys if we close above 68,000, I 100% feel BTC is going to have another run up. I do believe 73K is going to get achieved. I do believe 81K would be achieved. And what's also happened is we had that crossover on the Andean, right? So Andean crossed over. It's still showing a short position, but the sentiment on the triple G and Andean really should be long, right? And Andean's pretty narrow. So I could see another quick flip. Hey, some bad news comes in, and usually that would tell me, hey, we have more sideways trading. If this does another quick flip, if the Andean flips again, absolutely we're going to see sideways trading. You're going to get more down 20%, up 20%, down 20%, up 30%. You know, it's going to keep changing like that till it eventually breaks out. When that breakout happens, 81K has to be achieved. Then I'm looking for the retracement and where it catches support from that point. Teddy number one. Teddy number one. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I appreciate you, Cody. You are the greatest goon ever. Cody, we also have goons growing on the Explore the Weird side. Do know if ever you want to come show support on the Explore the Weird side. We had a video come out today, 6 hours ago. Come check it out. It's quite interesting. Things are happening on there as well. And yeah. Hey, Selmo Fudd, what's going on, sir? We are just getting into the Bitcoin charts and really what's happening. I'm letting the goons know to be aware that the Andean oscillator is narrow and it is doing quick flips and it is on that downtrend. But if it catches that upward swing, which I believe it has, hey, we're headed for 81K and we may see that well before Triple G's. I am the best. Nice to see you. Always a pleasure. We got I'm the best, the OG goon himself. Just talking about BTC and the price action there. Williams, hi, Goonies, internet connection issues. I finally made it. I even had issues coming late. I was all held up with the Eclipse mumbo jumbo and things went wild. So, what I want to make you guys aware of, a long position came in on Ethereum. You guys know how the triple G long positions are. The last time we had the long position, it called it at 2,200. Now we're having ETH long position declared right around 3,700. So gear up, guys. 4,700 feels achievable. That's a $1,000 increase from where we are sitting now. And that long position even appears doable for BTC. And we're seeing that continued long position even for BNB, right? Not only did we see the long sustained for Solana, but now we did see, hey, it got narrow and it's real narrow now, but technically it is still a long position. I am going to look at the chart right now. And one of the things that you see is that Indian oscillator going super narrow on this chart, right? Look, it's right about to cross over into a sell. So we really need Solana to break out above 191. If it does not break out above 191, we are headed for 160. It is going to happen. That is what I'm feeling. XRP. This is another one where I need it to close above 65 cents. If it closes above 65 cents, I go, hey, 91 cents is achievable, which gets me close to that dollar range. And I'm looking for profit taking margins at that point, you know? And right now, XRP, it is showing during the sell indicator. It kind of feels like it's bottomed out. Triple G put a support level at 56. The next support comes at 48. This feels like a good place to consolidate and grab even more. So that is what I'm looking into. Hi, Goonies, internet connection issues. LRSC God told me to ask you about A4M. Oh yeah, dude, we started doing research about A4M. We had, oh my god, we had guys in the Telegram chat come in, tell us about the Trade Probe application or something. And then we had, I think even William himself told us about some of this thing. But dude, they have some program that they've made that tells you when to get into futures, when to get in and when to get out. And you just place the trade that the program tells you and you make instant money. And supposedly they're shilling out like 600, 700% returns. And right now it's free. Right now, supposedly, actually, let me see. Do I have MetaMask? Let me see here. What was the website? Wait, I had gone to it just before. Here, somewhere on here, Connect Wallet, MetaMask. I think this is it. and then go to probe. Yeah, somewhere on this application, oh yeah, right here. See, they're telling you, hey, what to get into, what your profit margins are, your entry price, dude. Look at this. They literally tell you your entry price, your entry date, and what your targets are to get this much profit. They tell you when to get in, they tell you when to get out. Who's doing this? Who's doing this? I haven't even heard of these. K-Box, EVRY, INFI. I need to go find, and it's not just these. They have so many. This is KuCoin, Gate.io, Kraken. They're literally finding, and here's Coinbase, guys. We could literally just spot this. Hey, I'm gonna get in, and they have super bullish ones, less bearish ones. You can go uh, forwards and backwards, but it was quite interesting. I was looking into it myself with what the goons told me in the Telegram, and I'm like, bro, this feels wild. But I will tell you, my win rates are definitely a lot more using this than before, and this is free as of right now. So I tried it out. I thought it was pretty cool, but yeah, I got into this. And if you don't want to connect your wallet, they have this login thing. You can sign up for an account. So yeah, it seems pretty. Wait, did I not disconnect? Disconnect. Yes, it seems pretty cool. Seems pretty cool. But I would check it out. ALIEN. Or I'll just send you the link. Then I just did their thing, and at first, okay, I changed tabs. That's why I thought I it said logged out, but I was like, dude, how did this sign back in? Oh my god, I'm gonna mess myself up. Yeah, no, but that does seem like a true utility. And the guy was telling me they have even more planned. He asked me to do a video, and I'm like, bro, you guys used to be like Shibnobi. I'm not trying to open that whole can of worms with the Ganja Goons gang. But he's right. He's like, a lot of the viewers did originate from Shibnobi that currently watch you, Teddy, blah, blah, blah. I checked out the thing. I thought it was cool. And I may use it in the future as well. It definitely seems like a legitimate tool, and it felt very enterprise level. I was quite impressed with what they showed. Yeah, so continuing on Shiba. So as I told you, all meme coins are pretty much following the same trend right now, and it appears to be a continued bullish trend. But what's scary is this bullish trend has already hit the targets I had set. So I'm actually moving this trend up just slightly to match all-time high and the last low before takeoff, and you'll see we're still above the 0.618. So even Dogecoin, that dollar may sound crazy, but dollar does seem achievable in the long run if bullish trend continues. And Pepe, this is the one we're talking about, the market caps, right? We read the news article as well. I do believe Andean's going to flip over. Once Andean flips over, hey, we're looking to close this above the 5089. Once 5089 gets achieved, here's that 1.618, right? The 4014 from the article we were reading at. And that's usually just coming from the fib retracement levels. So I am keeping an eye on that as well. Quite interesting what's happening with Pepe. So if you're looking for Pepe Army push, hey, they could, but keep in mind it's community driven. Devs are out, no utility. It's pure community. COQ doing fairly bad, but Bonk is Solana's meme coin. I do believe it is going through a reversal. I'm not seeing the Andean flip over as much. And what's interesting about Bonk is I did do a fib retracement on a different platform I use, and we're literally at bottom, right? We're looking at the all-time high in this time frame to the last retracement level, and we need to go all the way back up to 4037. You're at 1955, so we got some time, and you hope that lower market cap is going to help push it even more. And then the levels of support for Bonk are not that promising either at 4019 and 4011. How insane was the Tensor airdrop? Wait, did I get the Tensor airdrop? I feel like I didn't. My next airdrops are Jupiter based, so I'm just waiting for Jupiter now. Bone, Crow. I didn't see Red Sox, but yeah, Crow was doing fairly okay. I saw the Indian widened and it was closing above 15, and I go, dude, if it closes above 15, 21 cents is 100% happening. And then Adam. And then I want to show you guys Link because we've seen some crazy predictions with Link as high as 150, 120. Even with the fib retracement I have set, only puts us at 35. But if you truly look at where Link was in the past, I'm going to show you a new fib where I'm going to the last, to the high all the way to the last low, and that is there. It really puts the fib at something that is mind-blowing at 223. So why wouldn't 120 to 150 be doable if we've seen all-time highs as high as 52? So it does make you consider, hey, if that bull market returns, potentially we could also see Chainlink going parabolic as well. Saw wallet print 1.5 million. Holy crap, that is good. Yeah, TNSR printed. Wow. Wow, that is wild. That is wild. Congratulations to those guys, bro. All right, I think that's it for the charts. I'm gonna move over to Goon Time. Goon Time is your time. You guys tell me if there is anything that you want me to check out. I actually do want to check out just one token would have gone 420 to one transaction would have been 420 tokens. Oh my god. No, I've done 0 transactions there, so there's no way. I want to check out Tuer and Bowden. Let me see if that's actually on. Tuer. Nope. No Tuer, Teddy. And then Bowden. Bowden USDT on. Could be. This could be. Oh, dude. Whoa. Yeah, this is already at 87. Look how wide this is. Yeah, and this is a fairly new meme coin. Yeah, you're riding the meme coin wave. Geo Bowden. Geo Bowden there. Teddy Geo Bowden. Yeah, Geo Bowden indeed. Oh my god. TNSR. Okay. Let me also check out TNSR. TNSR. Binance. Oh my god, dude. $1.67. Imagine 420 of those at $1.67. Man. Oh, let's see. 420 times $6. Bro, $600, $700 you have right there. $700, and then the all-time high was $2.06. Right? So let's see. So 420 tokens they gave you for doing a transaction there times $2.06. Man, $1,100. Boom. Easy money for doing nothing but a simple transaction. But that was for buying or staking an NFT, right? Oh, okay. So I got none. I don't NFT. There you go. Okay. Oh man, I thought it was just for doing a transaction. I didn't realize it was for then there was no chance of even me doing that. But yeah, the guys that did, they got lucky. No, that was a good one too. Let me see. Let me try to find this one. Tuer. Maybe it's on Dex Tools. Daddy. Tuer. There it is. Tuer Carlson. Oh wow. Yeah, you're hugging the Bollinger Bands all the way up there. Yeah. This usually indicates, hey, it's gonna go even crazier. So what's the market cap? 404.16. Oh man, that's an interesting market cap ratio there too. Oh boy. Yeah, ride it out. See how much money you can make, and make sure you get 100x for all of us. Teddy, I made it, Teddy. Yes, NW, you made it. All right, guys, I think that is it. I'm not seeing anything else come in. Do show me some love over at Explore the Weird. Come comment on those videos as well. I would love to know. The Crypto Goons are over there. Ben Spada just became a member over on the Explore the Weird. I appreciate you, Ben. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped, yeah. Don't get wrapped, yeah. Don't get wrapped, yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah, yeah. Get informed, get informed,